PEX, short for cross-link polyethylene, has been the choice for plumbing for many years. So whether you are a DIYer or a professional plumber, PEX is the go-to material when roughing in a bathroom or kitchen. And when running water to your fixtures, you're gonna end up needing to stub out your PEX. So let me show you 3 approaches. The first approach is this makeshift method, surprisingly pretty common when roughing in a toilet. All you need here is about 2 to 3 straps to support the PEX in place. The first strap holds the PEX towards the back of the wall, and the other 2 is meant to support the sweep made by the PEX. There are quite a few issues I see using this method. One is that now you don't have a PEX rent in the center of the wall, potentially exposing to damages from the other side. And 2, the sweep is never perfect. When it's time to sheetrock, this may be an issue. The second method is using a pipe hanging bracket. This bracket is adjustable to fit between studs. You measure the height you want and screw the bracket in place. Then, using the clamps provided, you screw them to the bracket. Now, you make a sweep bend on the PEX and clamp it down in place. You need to repeat the same for the other water line. And usually, water lines are 8 inches apart, so you measure 8 inches and you add the other clamp. Make another sweep bend and clamp it down. Just like the first method, this one you are left with PEX sticking out of the wall. And their sweeps are very hard to maintain in place, even if you use the metal hanger brackets and the clamps. And after you sheetrock, just like on the first approach, this will not be so rigid, and the finished product will not look the best. The third method is to use a copper stub out. These stub outs can come with a 90-degree sweep included. So all you have to do is to crimp the pegs to the stub out and screw or nail the stub out to a stud. And if by any chance your measurements don't land on a stud, you can also add a 2x4 between studs and use that as a support for both your water lines. The other nice thing about this is that you can pre-crimp the stub out if you don't have room for a crimper. However, if you do have room, you may want to screw in the stub out first and then crimp later. And if you have roughed in your water lines with this method, now you have a clean and sturdy installation ready for sheetrock. This is one of the easiest and cheapest approach to do your stub outs. It's not the only approach, there are many out there, one of which is using one of these copper plates. You screw them to the 2x4 and you slide your copper stub in and you apply some solder around it. It does come with a cost, but it's a different approach. And if you need help finding these parts, check the description below and I can walk you through. And later on, when you're ready to install your water shutoffs, I recommend you buy one of these compression fitting quarter turn shutoffs. They're very easy to service later if you need and very easy to install. But if you need help installing them, check out the next video and I can walk you through step by step how to get one of these installed. I hope you learned something in this video and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.